Senior citizen K5 be in chancey be so I was a blogger who was na K5 episode says Mukwala de say or a gonna na Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ashasi A2 and I'm say or me finding the replacement na said a midi kind a catch last Friday according to K5 the replacement of Mukwala Days is going to be a top striker from the African market. Waka Kwesi Apia the IMC board member of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and as a IMC member of Krobi Asante Kotoko. And also in similar to you about Kumasi Asante Kotoko redemption or stated claim we say Kotoko ebetimi attend nyoma around to win the league, but on promise Mukwala Daisy say Ghana league na statistics be abeto abonti we say me de ma okra kakra na ye ka top away scorers na ye were 5. Mukwala and as I say currently or no the leading striker in terms of Ghana a Premier League first round a boy upe player washe away goes dodo pa Mukwala Daisy and oda screen so no senior honum, and it is all 6 goals followed by Hasufuk Hamza Isa and so 4 goals. Steven Amankra 3 and Isaac Minta and so 3 goals Adriana so the match no say no Mukwala away goals no a 6 into only lead this goal chart no well mede ho asem ebe bro na say no Kwesi Apia nsem o kan no na me poto ama no was say as we all saw from the middle part of this first round getting to the end, the team was performing very well because they have now gotten to know themselves very well, and Kwesi Apia remarked acknowledging the positive shift in Kotoko's performance. Now Kwesi Apia the dynamism in change of player about Krobi Asante Kotoko with regards to performance no assessor into the amount for ASA Kwesi into all share mpanyifo bo said Kotoko ebetimi age league no or say I will not say that we will win the cup, but we will try to win. So if we win, fine. If we don't, as Otumfo said, we should all go out there. Whether we win is a plus. If you don't, he thinks that we are building the team. So let me tell you. In the only in some kakra or the two ja near the future. So that is Kwesi Apia in Sema or the etu eja about Kumasi Asante Kotoko renaissance Okahwasem with regards to Krobi Asante Kotoko. You expect a Krobi Asante Kotoko season, your Vimsa Kotoko ebetimi age league no matter what, because her points build up now also na enya dia enhubibre. It is just a matter of winning consistently, and Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebetimi age league no. Thank you for listening. That's it. Don't see